In today's video, I want to show you free tools that you can use to create your low content books and publish them on Amazon KDP. Hello home bosses, my name is Nuria Corby from thehomeboss.com. Welcome to my channel, which is all about helping you to make money online from self-publishing on Amazon KDP. And like I said, today I want to show you some tools that you can use that are absolutely free, and they can really help you with your book creation. When you're on a low budget, as I was when I first started, I relied heavily on free tools that I could use. And this is why I love this business so much, because it's easy to get started. It's not like other businesses where you need to invest a lot of money to get this business off the ground. And especially with all the different free tools there are, that makes it even easier. So for those of you who are just starting out and you just want to see how it goes, it's a good idea to use free tools while you're creating and finding your feet in this business. And then later on, once you have created some income, then it's a good idea to invest in tools that help you create even better books and help you create them more efficiently. So today I want to talk about free tools, and there are quite a few out there. And let's not forget that it's absolutely free to publish on Amazon KDP. So without any further ado, let's jump into my screen share and I'll show you all the tools that I found that are absolutely free and that can really help you with your book creation. First up, let's talk about research tools. There are some fantastic tools that you can use to understand your market better. And I use all of the following free tools as well as some paid tools like Publisher Rocket. But the ones I'm listing here are all free, and I want to start with the Self-Publishing Titans, because Self-Publishing Titans offer some really great free tools for keyword and niche research, but that's not all. They have a lot of tools that you can use for your publishing business. So if you go to the top menu, you have a tab here called Free Resources, and if you hover over it, you can see the drop down. It says they've got a free low content maker, and they've also got free KDP tools, free KDP interiors, and a free KDP course. So you can see that just on the Self-Publishing Titans page itself, you can find so many useful and helpful free tools. And I use especially the Chrome extensions a lot. And I just think it's amazing what the owners of Self-Publishing Titans are offering you. They're being very, very helpful. And they've also got paid tools, and I have got one of their courses, which is really good. I can really recommend it. Not everything has to be paid. There are some amazing tools here. And a big shout out to Corvin and Cleo from Self-Publishing Titans for providing us with so many really helpful tools and great content. So go and visit the selfpublishingtitans.com site and have a look at their research tools in particular. And don't forget that Amazon itself has some features that can be a goldmine for research. Their own drop-down menu and the Look Inside feature can give you a lot of insight into what's working for popular books in your niche. And reading Amazon book reviews can also give you a great understanding of what readers are looking for. So when it comes to research, it's not always tools that you need. What you really need is common sense and an inquisitive mind, and then you can find out a lot just by studying your competition. So now let's have a look at some creation and formatting tools. When it comes to writing and formatting your book, you don't need expensive software. Google Docs or Word can be a great starting point. They're easy to use, your work is saved automatically, and you can access it from any device. When I first started creating low content books, I used PowerPoint, so I'm sure you can also use Google Slides, which is great for visual content and books with graphs and images. And for more visual content, you can turn to Canva, which is what I use now. You can use Canva for cover creation, but also for low content book interiors or children's picture books. And you can also use it to create infographics, charts, and other visuals for your book. And Canva have a free version. There is a pro version, which gives you more features, but the free version is absolutely fine to create books. And if you're not creating low content books and you're writing fiction or non-fiction, the Reedsy free formatting tool can help you get everything ready for publishing. It's user-friendly and can make your book look professional without any headache. And check out the free formatting templates from Kindlepreneur, the makers of Publisher Rocket. So now let's jump on to graphic design and drawing apps. For those of you adding more visual elements or designing your own covers, there are plenty of free design tools. In addition to Canva, you can try GIMP for advanced image editing. There's also Inkscape for vector design and Photopea for easy online photo editing. Another one is Paint.net. It's simple but an effective tool for image and photo editing. And Adobe Express is fantastic for quick edits on the go. And if you're doing more advanced illustration or design, Adobe Fresco is great for digital painting and sketching, especially if you're working on a tablet. Of all of these, I have tried Photopea. Photopea is great if you're looking for a free web-based photo editing tool, and it's a fantastic option for that. It's similar to Adobe Photoshop, but you can use it right in your browser without any installation, and you can edit images, create new graphics, and it even supports different file formats like Photoshop, XCF, and Sketch. Whether you're touching up an author photo or designing promotional banner, Photopea gives you a lot of flexibility and creative control, and it's one of the tools I sometimes use besides Canva. So I advise that you research the other ones to see if they are a good fit for you. I know that a lot of you probably use some of these, and if you do, leave a comment under the video and let us know what you think of them. What about self-publishing platforms? So most of us are using Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, as a free platform, and it's absolutely amazing that it's free because it's such a great opportunity for us to publish our low content and written books. But there are also other ones like, for example, Ingram Spark, and Ingram Spark have recently also made this a free platform. There is Lulu, where you can publish spiral-bound books, for example, and there is also Draft2 Digital, and these platforms distribute to a wide range of online bookstores, helping you to reach a larger audience. Also remember that there are free resources for promotion and community building. Social media and email marketing tools like, for example, MailChimp can all be incredibly helpful, and they're free. Also, don't forget about the value of writing communities. Platforms like Wattpad and Goodreads are not just for readers, they're also a great place for authors to share ideas, get feedback, and even find new fans. Now, I know that the process of self-publishing can be a bit overwhelming at times, especially if you're new. But don't worry, you're not alone. Amazon has created a fantastic resource to help you out, the Amazon KDP University, and I actually think that some of us more experienced publishers could also benefit from going through the Amazon KDP University, because Amazon KDP is a platform that changes and there's always new things coming out, so it's very important to stay up to date with any new developments. And Amazon KDP University is a free online learning hub packed with helpful resources like webinars, tutorials, and guides. They cover everything from writing and formatting your book to marketing and sales strategies. And one of the great things about KDP University is the KDP Jumpstart. This is a step-by-step guide designed to take you from a blank page to a published author. It's perfect for beginners, but even if you're more experienced, you might pick up some new tips. And another fantastic resource is the KDP University's webinar series. These webinars are hosted by industry experts and cover a wide range of topics. Whether you're trying to master book marketing or looking for design tips, these webinars can be incredibly helpful. So if you haven't already, I highly recommend checking out Amazon KDP University. It's free, It's helpful and it's a great way to set yourself up for success in the world of self-publishing. So what do you think? I hope you enjoyed that. I hope I mentioned some tools that you didn't know about. Maybe you already knew most of them. And I just wanted to remind you that you can create wonderful and amazing sellable content with the help of these free tools. And if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends. That would be lovely. And as always, I'm here to help you. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer you all. And that's it for today, and I'll hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.